Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am giving you a simple and perfect solution for PDF download on WhatsApp. So don't waste your time, let's get started. See your problem. First of all, open your Play Store apps and then search here, just write WhatsApp, then search. Make sure updated and then search again, just write on PDF reader, then search. Just see here and make sure update and go back and search your WhatsApp app. Just long press on WhatsApp and tap on I button. Scroll down, just tap on force stop, then OK. Scroll down and now tap on storage and then tap on clear cache. Just go back and now tap on permissions. Make sure all permissions allow one by one and go back. Now restart your phone. After restart, your PDF download problem solved. If you found this video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel for another important video. Thank you.